How to skip Fabletics VIP membership in 2025. Okay, so I tried skipping the Fabletics VIP charge, and here's how it actually works. First, log into your Fabletics account before the 5th of the month, because if you don't skip by then, they'll charge you the monthly $59.95 credit automatically. Once you're logged in, go to the My Account section, then click Skip the Month. It's usually a big banner right at the top, and once you click it, you'll get a confirmation message that you won't be charged. No need to call or email anyone. It literally takes 10 seconds if you know where to look. You have to do this every single month. You don't want to be charged. So, set a reminder if you're not planning to shop. If you forget, that charge becomes store credit, but refunds are tricky unless you call customer service right away. So yeah, skip early, skip every month, and you'll avoid the surprise fees.